Again, if you're new and you're watching this and you're saying, why are we doing this when the 1 minutes are pointing down? Well, it's because the 1 minutes are going to get ready to flip over. So we're anticipating that, and that's why this trade is being done. And the market's kind of reflecting that, you know, we've kind of ran out of gas here, and there's a good chance we're gonna go up and probably try to pick up some stop orders that might be trailing. You know, especially the breakout traders might have gone short down in this area, maybe even short in this area. They've got stops placed. Well, if they're smart, they should have their stops placed really somewhere up here. Let's say for the euro dollar, which would be mid 40s or so, potentially maybe all the way up here to 60 area. So that's really what the market's going to do, and you can see that it's on its way to do that on pound dollar, euro dollar, and Aussie dollar. The concept here is understand the cycles of these markets. Don't get caught right away, right after news, because I mean, a lot of times, unless you're a little bit, you know, you've been doing it for a while, you get really savvy at this. It's after the fact that this market has already ran that in the past, a lot of you guys who might have traded breakouts, you're saying, gosh, I missed the move. And so you're desperate to get in, and you get caught going short precisely where the market is now turning. And what the market will do, it'll continue to entice you, right, to go short, to go short, to go short, and you get caught going probably at the very low, only to find then that the market starts to reverse. Occasionally, some of these will work for you, but more often than not, you're going to sweat it out quite a bit as the market now starts to do precisely what it tried to do, which is entice a lot of the short sellers, the guys who missed getting in here, are getting trapped down here now going short, and the ones who did go short here who are looking for home runs and have not collected, they got stops, trailing stops, and the market's going to go up and get them now. And you can see what's happening here, as now we finally have this thing developing the way we want it to. And as long as you start understanding that mindset, you know, you can start now making sure that if you do chase a breakout, all right, there's nothing wrong with chasing breakouts as long as you do them with tight stops and you collect. All right, you collect points. Sometimes you can collect a lot more than 7, especially if it's a good breakout like this. But the other thing is, you know, you wait for retracements from previous strong support levels if we break them, or strong resistance levels like we had here on euro dollar. You know, you get a chance to get in here and, you know, pick up points on that move then again in the direction of where it's going. This is, you know, the whole purpose of developing this matrix as we did was to have the ability to be able to do this. And where normally with your conventional tools, it's tough to see these things like this so quickly. This is the advantage of having the matrix, that you can do this. You know, you can have several currencies trading at the same time. And you can see the currencies right now, what's going on there. You got limit out on Aussie dollar. See if we get limit out on the other currencies. I should collect on a portion of it, but you can now allow for the trade to develop, and you see very nice profits. Let's see what stop do I have here. Oh, see, I got to make sure I do the smart thing here. What do I have here? Yeah, that one's good. Should actually lock in a little bit more. Let's do that.